Hello, so today we are going to review probability. Remember, probability is the likelihood that something is going to happen. So in the middle, we've got our basic probability setup. Anytime they want us to find a probability, we always start as a fraction with the favorable outcomes on top. So what we're looking for, whatever we want to find. And then on the bottom, our total number of outcomes. If something is likely, we are going to get a number that is bigger than 50%. If we have something that's unlikely, that's going to be smaller than 50%. Certain, 100% chance it's going to happen, and impossible would, of course, be 0% likelihood. So likely is going to be bigger than 50%, unlikely less than 50%. All right, moving on to question 1. It says Leanne collects data throughout the basketball season and uses this data to determine the probabilities of different teams playing in the league championship game. The probabilities for her 4 favorite teams playing in the championship game are shown below. Which of these teams is least likely to play in the championship game? So we need to find out which of these probabilities is the smallest. In order to compare them easier, I'm going to change all of these to percents. So I'm just going to use my calculator and divide them. 2 divided by 3, I get 0.6 repeating. So I'm going to put a few down just so I can move my decimal twice to turn this into a percent. Move it twice, I get 66.6, or about 67%. For the Redbirds, 4 divided by 5. Divide it in your calculator, you get 0.8. Move our decimal twice to make it a percent. 80%. For the Bulldogs, 3 divided by 8, 0.375. Move it twice. 37.5%, or 38% about. And then 1/2, we get 0.5, move it twice, 50%. So for which team is the least likely, we are looking for the one that is least likely to win. Smallest probability would be the Bulldogs.